Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the structure of a generalized alimentary canal. An alimentary canal has a tubular organization. This tube extends between two openings, mouth and anus. We can take the mammalian digestive tract as a representative example of an alimentary canal which can be compared to all other animals. The mammalian digestive tract has four major divisions. First division is called the head gut, which is specialized for the intake or ingestion of food. It comprises of buccal cavity and pharynx. The second division of alimentary canal is the foregut. It has specialized regions to conduct, store, and partially digest the food. It includes esophagus for conduction, stomach for storage. In some animals, crop is also used for temporary storage of food, while stomach stores the food as well as partially digests the food. The third major division of mammalian digestive tract is the midgut. Midgut में small intestine आती है. Small intestine एक बड़ा पार्ट है जिसको मुख्तलिफ स्मॉल कंपोनेंट्स में तकसीम करते हैं जो कि ड्यूडिनम, जीजुनम और इलियम कहलाते हैं. मिड गट का मेजर फंक्शन फूड की डाइजेशन को कंप्लीट करना और प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ डाइजेशन को अब्जॉर्ब करना है. द फोर्थ डिवीजन ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट इज द हाइंड गट, which comprises of large intestine. Large intestine के भी मुख्तलिफ components हैं, that is colon, cecum, rectum and anus, which collectively form the hind gut. Hind gut के दो major functions हैं, एक तो absorption of water and electrolytes है और दूसरा defecation, that is removal of undigested wastes. Dear students, हमने देखा कि mammalian digestive tract मुख्तलिफ regions में divided है. ये तमाम regions specialized हैं to carry out specific functions. This is called regional specialization. Regional specialization की वजह से मुख्तलिफ digestive actions एक step wise fashion में होते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पर मैकेनिकल ट्रीटमेंट, माइक्रोबियल ट्रीटमेंट, इंजाइमेटिक डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन और वेस्ट स्टोरेज, ये एक सीक्वेंस में मुख्तलिफ रीजन्स ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट में होते हैं. रीजनल स्पेशलाइजेशन also permits the maintenance of acidic and alkaline pH at the same time in different parts of the alimentary canal. This maintenance of different types of or different levels of pH is necessary for various enzymatic reactions. Dear students, एक alimentary canal के साथ कुछ accessory glands भी associated होते हैं, which secrete the digestive juices through their ducts. These accessory glands include 3 pairs of salivary glands, gastric glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder.